Hello everyone, welcome to SaaS Deal Zone new review video. In this video we are going to talk about a new lifetime deal which is Rollout. Before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and join our Facebook group for more SaaS deals and giveaway. What is Rollout? Rollout is an AI website builder that helps you to make website quickly and easily. You don't need to know coding or design, just tell the AI what kind of website you want and it builds it for you in a minute. With Rollout, you can create a business website, online and blog, and landing page without any technical knowledge. It's like having a web designer work for you, but much faster and cheaper. The tool is perfect for small business owners, freelancers, and anyone who needs a professional website without spending a lot of time and money. So now let's talk about Rollout AppSumo lifetime deal. Before starting the Rollout lifetime deal review, let's talk about Rollout pricing. If you go to the AppSumo marketplace, you can see this tool is offering lifetime deal for a limited time at just $69. But if you have a AppSumo Plus access, then you will get some special discount. So as you can see, they have three types of pricing plan. Tier 1 price starting from $69. Tier 2 pricing starting from $179, and Tier 3 pricing start from $359 US. And as you can see, they have lots of difference depending on which tier you want to use. So now let's explore its key feature and how you can use this tool for your business or for your agency. So now let's talk about Rollout, some special key feature. So as you can see, we are now in Rollout dashboard. So you can create a website by using Rollout AI features. Just type what you want and Rollout creates a full website for you. No coding needed. The AI understands your needs and builds page automatically. So for this, we are just input a prompt for this needs. So we are ready. We are create a prompt for AI web generators. So we input it here and click the generate options. So as you can see here, you can upload reference image. If you have a specific image or a PNG file, JPG file, or some GIF, then you can upload it here, so that Rollout AI will automatically use this image or JPG or PNG file with your website. And as you can see, if you have a small prompt or if you have a specific prompt, you can enhance it by using Rollout site AI enhancer feature, so that they enhance your prompt and create a beautiful website for you. So we just create a prompt and we just input a prompt here and we click on generate options. So now you have to keep patience and wait a little bit for a result. So now Rollout working for creating a beautiful AI website for you. As you can see, Rollout create a beautiful website by using our given prompt. So as you can see, we are giving prompt for a local business website. So Rollout create a beautiful website for us. So as you can see, here is website header, and you can see some specific informations about our website. And as you can see, here is our about us page and about us, our company's informations. And as you can see, they have lots of icons and previous work testimonial and our client review and some Google review also. As you can see, here is our service and coverage area. And as you can see, we have a contact us page and some social share link and contact informations and some FAQ, frequently asked questions, so that our client or our customer can get information about our service and businesses. And here is our footer, and as you can see, some footer informations, quick navigational link, our service name, and our newsletter or email capture page. So as you can see, this website have a multiple page and multiple categories and multiple service. Everything will be customizable here. No one is permanently fixed, so you can easily customize everything from here. Just you have to select the options and you can edit it from here. If you want to edit or customize anything, just simply click on it, and as you can see, here is the right corner. You will get some informations about this specific sections. Like you want to change the color, you want to change the text, you want to change the typography, you want to change the, if you want to change the dimension or typography, you can easily change it from here. As you can see, everything is customizable. So after AI create your website, you can customize everything like color, font, layout, and more. Make it match your brand perfectly. And this website is mobile friendly. All website made with Rollout looks great on phone, tablets, and computer. No extra work needed for mobile optimization, so you will get a mobile optimized website. And fast loading speed. Here is the another common key feature of Rollout sites. Website built with Rollout load quickly, which help with SEO and keep visitor happy. And there is no coding required. Even if you have a zero technical skill, you can create a professional website. The visual editor make it simple. So you can check the source code, and here is the design, and you can configure it from here. And you can check the multiple way if your website is mobile optimized or not. Like you want to check the tablet mode, mobile mode, full screen, and desktop mode. If you need, you can configure this website name. Is the configuration is here. Configure your menu from here. So here is all everything is here. If you can check the all pages here, all menu here, all font here. All SEO optimization section is, you can customize it from here. You can add domain, which is really important because if you don't connect with a domain, this website is not previewable or not live on the web. So you must have to connect your domain with Rollout AI website, so that it will be visible for all. And you can add team member so that your team member can handle all pages and all customization, and you can get the script from here. So here is the another customization section. You can customize from right side dashboard. Also you can customize from this link. You can customize page, you can customize menu, you can customize fonts, you can customize SEO informations. You can connect your domain with rollout.site current domain name, and you can allocate with your team so that your team member can handle this website or everything, and edit if any editable sections, or if the website need any changes, then they can handle it on the behalf of you. So here is all about Rollout. I think this lifetime deal is crazy. If you need at least 25 project, you can project means you can generate at least 25 website by using rollout.ai. I think it's a very quite simple and very lucrative offer they offering now. So here is all about Rollout. If you need to create a website quickly without coding, this AI powered tool could save you hours of work. The lifetime deal make it even more attractive compared to the monthly subscription and website builders. If you have any question regarding this lifetime deal, don't forget to drop a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our Facebook group to get latest SaaS LTD giveaway and lifetime deal review.